Since last 1 year and 4 months, my diet consists of only 3 items: red meat, eggs, and animal-based fats, which is either homemade ghee or homemade butter or tallow. In order for the body to get all the essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, you don't have to consume things cooked for long hours to make them edible, or cook things with any added ingredient, or use supplements. Your body can get all the essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals in the right proportion and quantity and in the best bioavailable form for humans from just 3 things. Those 3 things are red meat, eggs, and animal based fats like homemade ghee or homemade butter or homemade tallow. We have complicated our food so much that if someone consumes just these 3 things, he is considered strange, unique, or abnormal by people. The same people who themselves unknowingly with every bite are going towards any kind of medical condition, or they have already developed a medical condition. The things which our forefathers used to use in less quantity, and sometimes due to some circumstances they had to use them more often. Through misunderstanding, we have made it part of our cuisine culture or part of our diet system. Getting back on the journey towards a better health should have started yesterday instead of today. However, it is never too late to get back on track to regain your health back. We have become so addicted and used to this unhealthy and void of any nutritional benefits way of eating that we cannot even think of eating without these things. Are we eating the food which is right for our body, or are we eating just for the sake of filling the stomach and getting sick? I will be sharing information on this channel for those people who would like to get back to a healthy life and get rid of medications through a proper human diet. Spending money on food is inevitable, whether you consume things high in nutrition or low in nutrition or not having any nutritional benefit. For more details, please watch my previous videos. In the end, be sensible and eat right, not less.